ourselves. I'm Anna, content manager in Prodio, and this is
Marek, CEO.
CEO, the boss of the bosses.
Of that mess.
Yeah, he's the one I'm scared of, and on the mess. Guys, we decided that every 2 weeks we're gonna talk about production. So there are some questions on the chat. Smile. What happens?
I'm not used to speaking English, and when it's recorded, so I'm not happy because it's first time, and first time hurts.
I forced him. So we get different questions on the chat, by email, on social media, and we decided to take 2-3 questions every 2 weeks to answer. One of the very popular questions is about the data. Can you delete? Can you erase data from Prodio? For example, an employee, you've got the guy, Smith, who stopped working in your company, and can you delete this person from Prodio?
Yeah, no, you can't, because and in this time, everybody say, oh, why not? It's stupid. It's not stupid. It's very smart, because our role for our customer is giving them good quality of data and taking care of the work history
and the continuity of the whole process.
Yes, because when you, for example, there is a claim from the customer, and you need to check who was working on it a year ago.
Yeah.
And for example, that was the guy, the Smith. And when you will delete the Smith, so in the other database, all start and stop of our operation, all data about the products what Smith done will be disappear because it's connected. Everything what is connected with Smith will disappear. Yes. But that is no problem, because we have a special function.
You can see a function.
A function. You could deactivate. A machine or employ.
Yes.
And the difference is when you deactivate, it's not affect work history.
It's not affect. So you only see the people who are active, who are really working on the machines you've got now.
Or when you make a production schedule, or when employees see the employees on your production floor, see the list of employees. They don't see the deactivated.
Only the active ones,
only active. Yeah. But in the work history, for example, when you want to go to 1 year, you see the Smith. And what's the Smith done?
Because he was working that order. Marek, how does it affect the price list? Does it affect the price list somehow? You pay for the our subscription plans are based on numbers of employees on production floor. But don't worry, we only count the active one. So you can have people who are not active. You deactivated them; they are not counted.
When somebody leave the organization, and we are a -1, and then we put another one, so it's +1.
Okay, so that's work, because actually you have continuity with this. Yes, continuity of working time, of employment.
And as you see, it's not a bug, because some people say there is a bug. I cannot delete a worker. Yeah. And we say, it's not a bug, it's a feature.
It's a feature. That's a very good one. It's not a bug, it's a feature. Okay, another question, very popular, is about which type of branches, what industries you can use Prodio, because we think production, they are the obvious things coming to mind: CNC, injection molding, machining. But can we use it in some not typical industries, other industries, sort of service maybe?
Yeah, but I believe the key word is service.
Service.
Because I believe that it's more than 30% of our customers. It's some kind of mix of production and services, or just services. For example, they that's the hard English word, the paint shops, masonry,
the guys producing the gravestones at the cemetery. Yes, we have this company, they do the gravestones.
But it's one part of the company is producing, but the second part of company, going to the cemetery,
graveyard,
cemetery, and they have
together.
So each machine is a team, the graveyard
assembly team,
assembly team, and they got a task list for each day. which cemetery, which
which spot, yes,
yeah, spot,
where is
with
the
a photograph where with the photographs, not the photograph, but the
not
person.
the person. That was the first thing you right.
I don't know. We don't have insight of our customer data. Maybe they have got
At the photo, some people want it. So
yes.
Some people want it. Yeah, okay, but they get all the information they need to do it the way the customer ordered. Yeah.
Yeah, and also for furniture, kitchen furniture, a lot of company have mounting equipment.
Assembly team. Assembly team. Yes.
Yes, assembly team. Also, but there is a washing company. So to say. The company is laundries.
Laundry company.
Yeah, laundries is great
not
example.
Not the money laundry. They don't laundry money. At least
but
we don't know
we're looking for investors. So if you
we make sure we make you profit.
You could buy. You could pay with bitcoins. I could say.
So back to this company. Yes, they service different hotels. Yes, they cooperate with different.
Yeah,
hotels.
and it's the process. There is different processes. For example, when you the bathing clothes, how to say it?
Okay, you can say the washing of the clothes. Yes.
Yeah, no, the washing of the clothes, because when you have a bed under the pillows, and the pillows
are the sheets. The sheets, the bed sheets, the bed sets.
Yeah, bed sets have different processes and different parameters. For the
you want to see the pillowcases, then the pillowcases, then the sheets, then
the clients, it's a normal process.
Towels, for example,
the towels, the towels have the So it's everywhere when you have a process, when you need to process something,
to
delegate and count the time.
And efficiency, productivity. I have this friend. There was a customer who asked about the jewelry, the jewelry making.
But it's a typical production. We have a lot of jewelry companies.
And there was one company from Holland, Dutch company. They had a paint shop. There was a paint shop. The paint shop. They had a painting teams that he was sending.
Yeah, but a translation team.
About the translators, that they.
Yeah, so we have one implementation. It's a translating agency.
Yes, interpreting. Yes, they were doing different interpreting services and translations.
They produce, translated
text. Text. Yes.
So the process is, as machine is, a translator, and then the supervisor, or sometimes even the CEO guy.
You've got the proofreader who was operation.
They counting, how many signs.
Signs, yes. How
the pieces, number of pieces, in standard production, and in the background the Prodio counting the time. So you see the efficiency of each translator.
Yeah, there was a kind of thing that they said that some translations were not. It was not worth to take them simply because they took too long time and it was complicated. Another question. Oh, that's a good one also. It's about.
I'm scared because my face interview.
So
sorry.
Breathe.
But I think that my English is better than yours Polish.
Polish is like putting two fingers in an electricity plug and get electrocuted.
My Polish is my superpower.
Yeah, it's a superpower. What about the integration of Prodio with machines, and especially in small companies?
Yeah, it's a tough question because a lot of clients ask about it, because when they starting from zero and they have paper sheets, all the paper orders, everything was in Excel, or even not in Excel, just on paper.
On the scratch of paper somewhere.
And
on
then
the
we introduce
implement.
Yeah, implement Prodio. So they there was so big shock, and they have a hunger for next improvement.
Yes.
But that's the moment, when we need to step back, and see the reality, because in Prodio is really low cost in implement of time and also in cash. It's just 15 minutes. Yeah, it's even
it's 15 minutes.
Yes, to just start
implementation, and it's self onboarding. So
it's from the $100 for a month, and it's not extra cost, just and all computer and RFID reader, but we have we give our customers I believe more than 10x, revenue.
That you can increase the profitability, productivity, and efficiency very quickly.
So so that's good investment. So and that's why people thinking we need make another steps.
Yeah, we got that, and the habit grows as you eat. The appetite grows as you eat.
But when we see the reality, a lot of small company based on old machinery parks.
Yeah.
When we even when you go, for example, CNC machining, it's mostly different models from different producers.
Well, yeah, it hardly ever happens that one company's got new sparkling, brand new machines.
So it's
from
making
the same producer.
it's bringing us a lot of problems with integrating, and also you're going from the online software to offline implementation of cables, receivers,
or Bluetooth,
Wi-Fi, trying to connect from, because there is a lot of different standards, and then you need to get it from the production hall, floor. When we there is a lot of electricity.
There could be problems with transmitting the data and the smooth transition. That's all.
And you must bring it together and then send to the online software. Yeah, you could do anything. It's just a case of money and time.
Yeah.
But
is it worth?
It is worth. I believe totally not in small company. And the problems what you get with the connection with it will also give you. In Prodio you could trust, you see the data in Prodio, you trust it. But when you got a connection to machine, you will not trust it because a lot of failures.
Yeah.
And so also the production workers will make it manually because
but it won't save you a lot of time.
Yeah, but for example, you don't invest on $100 like in Prodio, but you invest $10,000 to get 2 minutes of the more time of worker time.
Of extra time. Yeah,
so I believe it's not worth it.
Yeah, and it's against generally. You will agree with me that it's against the idea of simplicity, because Prodio is all about things get simple, get things done, get things from paper into the paperless environment in an easy way.
I believe that we are more not getting from paper to online environment. We are giving the life back for the production owners.
That you can see the live view of what's happening.
Yeah, and also
having and the life give life. Yes, that people
have free time.
Free time. That
we have a lot of stories. For example, that after implementing Prodio, production owner goes for first vacation from 5 or 6 years.
First time.
To Croatia or to Greece.
Get live, get Prodio.
Because you don't need to be on the production floor. You have everything in one place.
Phone. You can check into the phone from the safety of your house. You can be in your favorite armchair, beer in one hand, and just check what's going on in the production hall.
Who is on the who is
on the shift desk? Who's working which machine?
What's
happening? What's the progress?
Yeah.
So yes, about the integration is simply not worth. We keep it simple. We also had some inquiries from different universities, from students. What's about that?
It's your topic.
It's my topic. Okay, we were because there were some students. Well,
I believe we were more interested in professors.
Yes, but the students were setting up accounts.
But there is some
tutors. Some tutors asked about using Prodio. First of all, to teach students how to. The first production software is how to schedule production is based on Prodio, and yes, you're very welcome. If you want to use Prodio, contact us by the chatbox
or email.
Yes, we'll be really happy to provide you maybe a free account for testing
because we believe that when students see the simplicity and the basic rules for great production planning.
Imagine if you had it 10 years ago. You'd be super happy. Yes.
I will start Prodio 10 years ago.
Yeah. So you're really welcome to contact us and to use it. Yes. I think it's a great idea to see how simple the manufacturing process could be, even for the small company, because that's the idea. It's a good starting point, I suppose.
And for me, a good starting point is looking for your feedback about my English and it's the format and
If you like
okay.
it, if you really like it, subscribe. Just leave us a hand. Yes, hands up for like it. Subscribe to the channel, and well, hopefully we see you in 2 weeks' time.
Bye bye.
Bye.